When I bought Aztec, it was in bankruptcy. We had one person who sat outside with his feet propped up waiting for someone to call. We had, I think the sales that year were about $250,000, which sounds like a lot for a company that's in bankruptcy, but in 5 years we're at the $2 million mark. We wouldn't be there if it weren't for our technology. In the beginning, to do art for a customer, we would fill out a piece of paper, about 4 pieces of paper, take it to the art room, they would do the design, email it back to us, we would email it to the customer would email us back, we would and say it was approved or request changes. It would just have to, and then I have to fill out another piece of paper telling me that it was ready or it needed changes. Technology has allowed us to do things in a way that no one else can. We're faster, we're more efficient, we keep up with orders from the minute someone calls us for a quote, everything goes into our system, into our custom software. Someone could say to an intern or secretary or to a new member of their staff, call Aztec and order the same exact thing we had last year, and they don't even have to know what that is. They just have to tell us, and we can go back through all their orders and send them past orders, past templates of their art, and it's just so much faster. I met the Dell Supplier Diversity team at a women's business conference in Dallas, and I just kept on asking Brian Marshall, who was one of the Dell Supplier Diversity members, to come and visit me. And I just kept on, and he would say he couldn't come, and I'd just keep on. And so when he finally came in and saw our systems and saw the way we're using our Dell computers and our Dell products, he went back and told the rest of the team that he felt like they should come and see what we were doing. Since then, Dell is, first of all, is a wonderful supporter of the Women's Business Council Southwest. They hold all of our monthly and regional meetings, quarterly meetings at their offices, and have just been really terrific about giving us ideas for different ways to give our elevator speech or to let people know how we are different. Because for me, we are totally different because of our technology than any of my competitors. But there's so many promotional products people that when I say I'm in the promotional business, people immediately go, oh, one more. So they've been really incredible in trying to help me figure out how to let people know who we are and give people my message. We are actually able to help other small businesses because of our technology. We just had a small company that's just started that has a line of collegiate dresses, and their product was supposed to be printed in China, and it turned out that they couldn't get it done, so they sent them blank product, and they have deadlines. They're supposed to be in the stores at LSU and Arizona and Florida State and all the other schools that they have sold to, and it's their first time ever to sell to them, and so they really want to do a good job and get the product there on time. They didn't have anyone to print them. So because of our systems, we were able to bring in over 8,000 pieces. The first 2 weeks ago, we brought in another 1,500, and we've got 22,000 coming next week, and we're able to print those and get those ready to go for them so that they can get them in the stores and they don't lose the confidence that those people have in them at this time. To not have to stay up until midnight every night and spend every weekend counting shirts to make sure that you have it right it's just cut off days and days and made this job so much easier.